If you're having a lot of leaks on a nasal pillow, this is what you need to do. Check the mask strap on how to remove the strap. Very simple. Yes, they have a buckle here, but it tends to get overstretched. This cloth elastic band strap can deteriorate and break down before anything else does. You can get a replacement strap on Amazon for pretty cheap, $10 for like a 2-pack. First, you can actually remove it easily, just like that. Lift up, yank it a little bit, and take it off like a sock. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you get another one, all you gotta do is fit it back in. That little hole there, just stick it right in there. There you go. Tuck it in like a sock, and there you have it. This is very important because the strap deteriorates much quicker than the rest of the mask. If you're having a loose strap, you can buckle it, but if that doesn't work because it's way overstretched, then you need to get a new strap because it will cause a lot of leaks and the machine can't do its job when there's a lot of leaks. These nose pillows last a lot longer because there's not a lot of surface area. I won't be surprised it lasts you more than 6 months, these little nasal pillows. But the straps, I don't know, 6 months, it's kind of pushing it. Highly recommend getting a new strap on Amazon or wherever you can get it, because these straps are crucial in keeping a good seal. With a good seal, you will get a better night's sleep. All right, stay tuned to the next video.